You subscribe yet?
Chris, how are you there, Sado?
You know, so I go wait for the bridge and come out of the house.
The same dirty boy when me tell us if he stop and keep company with. Eh? You know much time that the boy they go to prison? You come back with a foolish and hey, Chris, I be a foolishness you go on with, you know, you come back with a foolishness again.
I can't take it away that all times, eh?
Me don't trust that you there. I mean, not trust you neither from you, my friend.
Nah, man, don't worry about that, man. Good things you are doing with business. Believe me.
Evelyn, honey.
I'm on the road there, man. What else I can do? So what you want? What go on there? What kind of breeze blow you around here so now? That me want to know.
Me ear say around here say they locate certain time of the day. So that's why me walk come around here. Them your street you not supposed to depend.
Sister, I will take care of you.
I don't care. You did a work and all of a sudden you stop work because of your little dirty foot friend we have round here so.
Yeah,
I wish one of the house them you live because you see you original. You will park here so when I down there so you go.
don't worry about that part.
Like you take people for idiot, but me tell you something. You see that area? Go and run joke with it. Go and play with it. Maybe this a youth where you keep company with. Always in a bad company and bad gang and then sitting there ever there prison. Maybe a trouble you want to put you in. You're not here. Who can't hear will feel. Me and your brother and sister same man, same pa. And I don't like how you behave.
See your money.
So how much money this year?
How much you normally come get from the front room? 100,000 man.
100,000. You know what I stop take money from you? I'll stop take money from you.
You say that every month you not take the money from me. You will stop take money from me. So why you take it for every month?
Because you use me like my water and me toilet.
I do it. Oh Jesus.
So I'm teach to them.
Denise, you collect or you collect? Have a good.
How you tell me if you do move?
Me not tell you move.
So you know want your little hypocrite friend up there so you try to send you to prison. Eh? See me? Eh?
No, I have to make a phone call.
Phone call so me can't hear.
No.
Oh.
Denise, we are going with Denise. I can't believe
You know.
every time you try. Come on, man. Nobody hear me a month on the street, man. Nobody now want to hear me more. Later, Denise. See?
Yeah. You see you? Me I watch you. And any you make no police come on me yard come about them and investigate and come ask me no question about you. You're not gonna like me. I tell them say me don't know you. You're a real jacket. Me and you and no brother. Any of them come in and no brother. Just when they gone here, you come back to brother again. Yeah. You hear what me say do? And you make me come around here, you know?
Next month.
You think so you can use money and catch me? You know me do carry this guy church and go make pastor pray over it.
Thank you very much. We need some prayer. Come need some blessing. Alright, Denise, you know, easy at Yo, Me outside, you know. Yeah, man. Brother forward, me there so too long and my sister forward and see me and know see me there. But you know, so she knows you already. So from she see the car drive past, she come forward. Forward, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm everything ready for you, man. There, I wait. Yeah. Forward.
Yo.
Come in the vehicle now.
You see, man, I forward, brother. Man, have car, man.
Brother, yeah. I'm tell you something, man. So when you... Oh, yeah, Mosa.
So now you think me come for collect, brother, man, have to look out of my 4 eye them.
No, you can't go and like something wrong. If you walk like something wrong and act like something wrong. Yeah, where funds, sir? And I must say borrow amount this, sir. You understand? Borrow. When you do your crime, you do your thing, make sure you keep up my vehicle to me. You understand? Alright.
So.
100K, right?
100.
No. Say where you do? I test you? Eh?
No, may I look if it's straight.
No, it's straight. Put in your bag and go on. Cause I understand where you're going. Cause I don't blood up my seat and out to baseball. So remember say, when me start with the thing, you call me, I come carry back my thing.
What kind of car you use?
It can't every night. You don't have to worry about that. Oh. Fully loaded. You understand what I say? Yeah.
Okay. But suppose more like extra can like.
Me will deal with that, man. You have to fall back on my side.
So I can't buy it at a store.
No. And that's the thing I work. You understand what I say? If you don't have no license to deal with that, you can't inquire about certain things, certain places. They will lock you up. You don't got jail? Eh? You ever know about jail? You know about jail yard? Eh? You know about the cold concrete situation?
I just know about thieving, big man. So, yeah.
So do your other fast and think back. Alright, hopefully. Because yo, as I say, it's a business thing that when it's business line up for that gun to buy, I sat there. So do it fast. Alright?
Mama Shakra.
Hope it work out for you. What go on, man?
There, man, how do you do?
I'm not there, man. How things?
Well, you don't know they are still. Things I go through still, you know.
I mean, man.
Mm.
So, yeah, come link me and all these things. Me know say you don't call me until there's something very important, you know, in the
Well,
pipeline. How go on?
very important. Now, pipeline still in about here what happening, you know. Based on the last shipment, you don't know anything they said. See? Yeah, man. So here what happening now. Based on the fact say things they mess up from first. And you don't know that you that.
Hold on.
But now, more I establish that, say, your responsibility to make this up that the last time and things ever happen. Yes or no, boss? Yes or no?
It's not a yes or no situation. Come here, I say to you, say, no full investment. So me I don't understand.
I know say stand boss, but when I try to tell you, say, for me part do. But based on part, your part, that's why I like the thing. Go down. But things are going to turn up now, you know. But I'm going to tell you what I'm still. Big man thing. The percentage of your kind of shift you have here. Because guess what? You have got a whole authority and I say, yeah, man. Big, straight. Better for go on. Right?
Yo, You hear what you say with your mouth?
Yeah, man, I know. I don't know if I say, man, I tell you what I say,
That's
Bridget.
something you plan to say
No,
before you reach us.
no plan, but you just look on the thing and you saw the thing set. I just saw you set. The thing mess up. Right now, most of the risk them and me I take. I think.
No, man. Alright. 50-50 it was before.
Nah, man, yeah, but remember say you put up thing and me I put up most of the youth.
What do you mean put up more?
Yeah, man, and me I put up most of the thing.
Alright. Both of you are involved money now. But at the end of the day, my responsibility is to delegate all of the man them for start to walk on. And you tell me say, because one of the man them was kind of shady. Me I go stand all the last. That you tell me?
I never my fault.
No, but that you tell me?
Yeah, but I never my fault.
Me ask you a question. That you tell me?
That me I tell you, Sir Bridget. I never my fault. Zane, and your fault why this me I come to you with this and how you think say. And that's a business go man, you know business go youth. Is it alright, man? What you do? What you plan for do?
No, me I say, if I sub the case, I sub the case.
I saw you have to go. A business in a Bridget.
30.
30.
70.
70.
So
Then I saw it have to go.
you feel like all is well, right? Based on your decision. You feel like what you tell me say makes sense to me right now.
You have to make sense. Something like how you sound. Like,
What you mean saying like no, but me like
hold on. Me not like how you sound, my Bridget.
but no matter how
know
me
all is well.
no, but I know and how me sound right now, bro. It's like yeah, make it seem like say me not make no money in the business here right now.
But you not gonna make money.
Yeah, but me gonna make less money. It's an investment. You tell me say you're gonna make 70%, which you are deeper than my 50% what me always get. And you tell me say no, me if you look on everything like everything smooth. Me I tell you God every truth, you are true me laying out my tool, bro. Bro, things you don't go on right so right now. Me I tell you that. You understand me? I say, me not check me, I check but yo, based on how things seem, it don't seem like you understand, say you try to jeopardize my future. And that you're doing, you set up certain things to make me feel like, say, boy, me not have a partner anymore. And that you tell me, you know.
Boss man. Yeah, work with the thing I know. Work with
Look how far you come from to come tell me this foolishness.
I could have called you and tell you, but me not call you. Me come here so come tell you.
Better when call me.
You take it or you leave it, boss.
Better when is everything go. You know what? Never take it.
Then I have to take it. What is the choice you have?
Don't worry yourself, man. Choice.
Yeah, you know I mean?
Don't worry yourself, man. Everything good. 70-30.
She can, man. Because I really like how you can move up and like you come violate and come talk about if you have this and this. Imagine you cannot talk.
And if one matter violate.
That, man.
No, but you tell me say you take away from my bread. And me violate you?
I know say violate.
Alright, you are going.
You know what going before you know it. Yo, that's cool, man. You know.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. At that. See?
Anyway.
Me I touch the road. See?
Yeah,
so, as me say business is business, right?
Do your thing.
Me I left, so you have to ease up off of this. That me I tell you. You make it sound like say something ridiculous me I talk about.
Reggie, that's all like our next threat again in a boss, man.
Threat?
Hey, me, man. You what happen? Take a deal. I could have less. Yeah, man. I could have less. Hey, hear me, sir?
Alright, Mr. Businessman.
Yeah, man. You know, so your business, man.
Yeah, man. I hope everything is copacetic on your hand, yeah?
Yeah. You know, so like a patriot thing there.
Nah, man. I don't threat, man. I just a business, man. No threat.
Yo, just walk lightly, man.
Everything level, man.
Alright.
Come on, girl. Yeah, I'm there. I say last night did hot. So the party did sun up. But that's sorry so my man could do it. I say, girl, one time I see the girl, I'll go up on the sound box and drop off. I feel wonder how I go on if them put something in the liquor them. I know I can't dance to backside.
Well, Chris.
Girl, give me a second.
Yeah, what no. Chris, me come link up on. Where Chris there?
You even say good evening.
Good evening after good people, man. Good people. Me say where Chris there? Where Chris there?
How are you?
Hey, you hear me?
I asked for Christmas.
Watch your argument, you know. Watch what you're talking, you know.
That can't intimidate me, sir.
Oh. Here what happened?
I'm afraid of gun.
Listen to me, man. I ain't going there for afraid of. I will behind it and why night. Chris left something in there for me. Left a bag in there.
Chris no left nothing here for you.
You know left nothing in there.
No.
Listen, me, man. You see fear, man. Problem, you know.
So what that have to do with me?
You know, say man a problem. You know, say I'm a criminal.
And
I mean, and oh, so you can't do everything. All right. When I get what come to me now, Chris, I get what come to me. Look here. Get up and go look for my bag.
like you can't get it to me. I have no bag in here for you, sir. Chris never left nothing here for you.
Oh, that's how it go down. Yeah. All right. Here what happen now. When we go pick up this life with them kind of man. Zine, and when the man missing and gone, when you go on the ball and behave certain way, but I tell you, say, you see man where you have, you're going to do him something. Because man a thief. I know pick up.
Man no thief.
The man a what?
Hardworking.
Hardworking. Who you work with?
Yes, me have a man there and him been a take care of me and him.
He might take care with my money. He might take care with my money and my money I take care. Hey, I want you. You hear me, man? You know, go and come back here and say, no, because you're worse, you know.
I'm not afraid of you, sir.
All right.
But
Don't worry
press your
yourself.
shirt that you need for the...
Oh boy.
You look so
Tired, don't you?
bad.
So much things going on today. So much things going on. Like, today was not a bad day, but it was also not a great day.
So what happened to this?
What about things, man? What about things going on?
Like,
Business never really go smooth. You understand?
how that mean?
Means I'm have to fix it tomorrow, man. Don't worry about that. You go on TikTok today? You go on social media? Post no video? Shake up your bam bam? Eh? Oh, yeah. You love your entertainment, you know? No? Rough. Oh my god.
Yeah, that work tomorrow?
Yeah, about that. It's like, I have to take one. I have to take 2 weeks. You might send for 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? So I have to sort out some stuff.
2 weeks?
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Means 14 days?
So I'm not sure what. I have to take 2 weeks and I'll give you some stuff. Because if I don't do it that way, I know some things going to spill over.
So what will happen with that this place at home?
Yeah, alright, man. I'm going to send some. I send my nephew to come check you and maybe drop off some stuff if you're short or nothing. You understand?
So what do you want?
I'm going to in and out of some region where I can't really say, boy, come back here because I'm going to get too far. No, yeah. Make you look for me, son.
I not trust that.
Babe,
But you like how you so. Like you do something.
No, man, nothing like that, man. But I have to work. Why you tell me take care of all of this? Why you think you left yard and at all? You want to left yard if you go enjoy yourself. You have to do them things if you fulfill them. You know what I mean? So nobody look for me son go on like, you know,
Anything
understand.
else then? So you're not hungry?
Not yet. Maybe later on. But I have to make 2 phone calls and sort out some stuff. You can go and eat, man. Yeah? Soon come.
Normally I don't want your dinner and something must wrong. I don't want everything.
Listen now, Chris.
Sister. Sis, alright, here we go now. You know you love to vacance and talk on the TikTok and I still me I say. But now is not the time. You understand? When you understand, so there's a lot of things that are going on. I don't want you to stay in the eyes of everybody. Meaning, you used to go to Mr. John shop, go buy grocery, nobody go to Mr. John shop. Go to Mr. Lee closer to your yard. You understand me I say? So, me no want to figure explain the details of what go on, because you done, you know, say, you might think all over the place, but more you stay off of the road. Even for a week. You can't do that for me, sis?
Why?
Because there's a lot of things I go on. Sister, now listen to me, I say to you.
Me ear.
Yeah,
But you
what?
need to tell me why. Me a big woman, I'm not a child. Why me can't go this or anyway me
Me
feel
no
like.
want you get no harm, no danger.
What you
No,
mean? Me and
no.
nobody no problem, so
Yeah,
me
but then you
alright.
know say yeah, can't catch Harry, then catch. You know what I mean? So I don't want that be a situation. Since me love you, I don't want nothing happen to you. You see, you just
You ain't
always
have some
stubborn.
problem.
Yes, me no problem. And problem I go start because me can't afford to invest certain things and man I go try say them trick me and no one give me what I deserve and all these things and I go blame me for certain things. So certain things have to go on, they clear up. They can't find peace and they say win the war. And that are the
So
thing.
Chris, a warrior, you know?
War go start. I mean I attack one of big war, me attack some organized. See, just listen to me I say no
So
man.
training a war, me fit on me yard. Me can't go nowhere now, sake of you.
See your
And I
money.
know me put myself in a
See your
trouble.
money. Listen to me.
The money I use catch me all the while.
This is 200,000. Now I'm gonna get 100,000, I get 200,000. So you buy your grocery them, don't have Mr. Lee, not don't have Mr. John. And you just stay off I work for a week. Just 1 week. You can do that, sis?
You know, say take me for one big puppy show, Chris. Me the knees where I feel your sister no idiot. A long time me they warn you about them things and see how far reach now till me have to go stay in my yard. Can't go on road for 1 week. How could I cost this? Yes, so you put yourself, give me money. Give me the money, give me the money. Yes, so you put yourself in. You see me they warn you? Eh? They warn you for a long time and you're not here. No, me have to go stay yard sake of you. Boy, you see this at 200,000 that you give me? Make sure you have 300,000 more to put on it.
Yeah,
Because if me have to go stay for me yard, you have to go pay me to stay there. That's what you did call me for?
Yeah, just go on home now.
Oh, from side of you, because I don't want nothing for you catch me.
Love you, yes, sis. You think I got alright?
Yo, oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. Thanks, sir. Actually, I have a time to let this, but alright, I don't know if you really understand what I'm going seeing, but the whole idea with me have Vassal. You just now go right because the man come check me and talk certain things where it don't make no sense. He might talk some percentage where 70-30 for me and me gonna lose. Even though the responsibility of the situation will go on and when you make the whole shipment go down.
Bro, you really bring up that. You really bring up that. And you know, so that was just an honest mistake.
But no, that me I tell him and he must say, boy, because of me respond for you, on my part everything will get shaken up. So you see because you owe me a favor. See, I want you check for your boss and take off 2 shoes after him.
Brother, maybe you can't even call it something going off here, but you shouldn't even not bring up that, brother. And by the way, why you don't want me take two shoes from him? Because the man is serious about them shoes, bro. The man is even serious man cartel about them shoes, So right now, me not even, you have to come up with that money, dog. I can't just go ask him and just give me 2 shoes.
I got type problem on money because the investment now is different. Everything changed. You might talk about shipment and reach and something, but I know say if certain things not clear by a certain time, I not get no funds. You know what I mean? And tomorrow, well, I eat my hands tomorrow to be, but yesterday, for my sister come link me. I mean, have to, give her a thing. Because I don't want to up on the road certain way. You understand?
Well, quick question. What make you shoes?
To protect myself. Because at the end of the day, the conversation with Vaseline, when by the time we left off at the spot, the man reason me like say boy, I threaten man like he want to say boy, a badness and a war. We shake on the business though, we not shaking, but at the end of the day we confirm say business.
But bro, you really have put me in a spot, I tell you the truth. You really have put me in a spot.
But Rick,
you want me get gun from my boss to give you to do him something?
Me nah say me I do him something. What do you man? You know this to me I say bro. Me nah do him man nothing. Only thing me I gotta do is protect myself just in case. Because there's no way me gonna do a man and I say threat. I mean eye open bro. I have to have something to protect myself. And if you want to be a part of my thing, it's open because if nothing for go down, I'm me that run the business. What you say?
Bro, you are going. This is the type of conversation where you hold right now. It sounds like you want me to be one real traitor, big man thing.
Brother, you can't.
And me nah gonna put myself in a them type of position. Me you done a virgin already, and if anything kick off, me probably get all involved in it. So you see right now, you have put me in a serious position,
Man,
brother.
a traitor. Traitor, you really use the word? A traitor word they use? A 200, yo.
Listen, man, me have to balance, bro. Me have to be balanced. Depend on your side, but still me have to.
You remember I'm tell you about the barrel, you put the name on the barrel, man. I feel your signature, I feel your handwriting upon the barrel, make the barrel get seized.
Bro,
You understand?
never
A 200,000 US gone. And because of you, and you tell me something, a traitor.
you never fully explain that, brother. That's why them think them mistake happen.
Alright, here we are going. So we say, you have side A and you have side B. Which side are you on right now?
Me,
Me know say boy, if I hit a hit.
bro, me dey on my side. That side me dey on.
So your side is what? My side as well or what?
My side and my side, brother. My side and my side. At the end of the day, me have to protect my life, you know.
200,000 US you make miss up. And you say it upon your side. Alright, Mr. Abby. So you say, remember saying I you say it upon your side, you know. So your side and my side, right? Just to confirm it.
Bro, me don't want the thing too complicated, bro.
Complicated?
Because at that time, I make it complicated right now. I have to think about my side, bro, and me think so you should think about your side too.
Alright. Listen yourself. See in the streets.
Yo, Vassal. Where there? Alright. No, man, alright. If you're there far out, that good, man. But, where say tomorrow, I can link it tomorrow. Alright, then. Tomorrow, I come give you a little thing. Give you a little link. I have a little thing I want to what I reason with you about. See? Alright, then. That's your word. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, man. You do a good job, man. Oh, so I was not bill. Long time I work for the outside. Right now, they tell me say they need so cement, so.
Officer Johnson.
Me chat to you.
You remember me, right?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, man, good afternoon.
To be honest, I don't remember you,
What do you mean?
As I said, I don't remember.
I mean, I'm Chris, you know?
Chris.
Yeah, Chris.
Chris from which part?
Chris from the Vassal, establishment.
Oh, Vassal.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God, brother.
I'm there, man.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, so far so good. You know
Where
what I mean?
do say how Vassal camp you come from?
Yeah, man, that's the same camp. I'm going to try to show you so you have to know me. Yeah, man, you may still see. There's been a lot of things going on down by that place about.
Which place?
A vast establishment, man. So what I want to do is like see if I can check in at certain things for me. Check into because alright, we get down to the chase.
Yeah.
The man have some illegal stuff going when no one can actually stop. And the only way we can stop it is to have a man like you as a law for enable certain things we can ease up so we can get back my earnings. See? The man will tell me now say he have 70-30.
Wait. I need to know why. Anything about what the God with, I need to know. I'm tell you why? Because me used to be in a fair position, sir. Me used to be a good officer, and me need know say so I go and done a vast camp, But my superior them make sure say if it let me know say to leave that alone. So whatever you're about to tell me, I don't want to know, because me don't want to lose my life.
And no matter of life, you can't get more money. I mean, no say involved in the whole thing as I come link you. I not link you because.
I'm involved in that.
What do you mean involved in that?
I'm involved in that.
A long time I work, you know. You make it sound like me just see and just know you. That house, yeah. When you get the little matches box, you know what happen? You ain't uncomfortable. That's a woman and move gone out and left you. Eh? Now you just be the house and you see you stop a, 1 or 2 club and enjoy yourself and enjoy life. I drive nice car and all these things. Come on, me did it with you, bro. But me I say, me I be that team. But me want the law on my side.
But I think you understand what I say. Let me make it more clear. The da bash up the walk with Vaso. You see that bad? That bad is the devil incarnate himself.
So you don't want overcome the devil?
No.
You don't overthrow the devil?
Sir.
So you work with the devil and feel comfortable?
You don't think so? You don't think so? Me know how the road good on. Me know which part you talk about. Me know a police officer will good on the same part where you good on. Where you want me for good on. No, and them end up dead.
Alright. So what you said then, you can't entertain my offer to you then. And we just start to think.
Sir, Russell make sure say he make sure say me good enough. And he make sure say me keep my lips zip. I make sure say me don't know what me fi know.
Alright, my boss. Alright.
So I will give you this advice. Leave it alone. If you know what's good, don't do that mess with
you know the powers of me. You know my powers, you know my strength. Alright, here we go. We're called it quits. You never see me come here, sir. See, sir? Bless up yourself. Have a wonderful evening, sir. Enjoy your apartment where you're building.
Enjoy yourself, sir, because if you know what's good, you're still alive.
Yes, baby. Yeah, man. You good? You never beg me. I beg you a favor. Come give me a tag. No, man. I'm not going to come in today, but they're close by. You must feel like a location. Yeah. That's cool, man. Just come. Come on with that. I want to talk to you. Yeah? Same place, man. Down at the toast fish by the grill, like downstairs, the lower floor. And we can talk. Alright? Same place, man. Full place. You know you're real from. Maybe I will think, alright? Jesus. Yeah. Whoa. I see you still feel good, man. You feel so good. That's right, man. Lord have mercy. Love is style, man.
So, what's going to do when I come over here and see you?
You still walk on and believe me. Where you are going? Yeah, me feel good, man. Just you want to come here. Yo, it's a thing we're going here, Vaso. Where you don't really deal with the thing as usual. You ship one thing.
So, when you really follow after the good friendship on the app?
Start to say.
When you actually follow?
I'm not going to say follow, but it's like based on when man deal with me, I just say it. Rain and fall and no one, it's like a something inside feel. Theory, because what I'm going to do right now, and I'm something I'm really planning to do to secure myself. You understand?
What you planning to do?
I'm just want to secure myself in such a way where business can continue or can continue. Long and short of the story is when booking some stuff around the office, you know, so the thing. What it is? Because I'm going to let up my one, and while you know one thing, you make money.
Me? I'm not do that. I can't do that.
Yes,
I can't do that. I'm not doing that. Remember, say me still the road of my walk up.
No, man, you're not remember saying there must be things. Who must be that things?
Nobody, but when me can take the risk, they're not going to pay me.
No, they're not. It's secure. You understand? So only thing you do is pick up two of them, do the black one them, put in your handbag or your bag, and just walk out. I'm going there so we can later on that night. I know you can't go in and come out right now. You understand? So
Okay, generate. Okay, we say a people in a situation.
think about the other way. You know, really, I'm in a situation right now. Have I ever brought this conversation to you before?
No, that's not.
Exactly.
This is all the way out.
I don't want to secure certain, more secure myself. I'm not like the conversation, you must say me a threaten man or something. And as me tell you, they go do one business. So to be honest, I already read out mine. But the youth know for some reason that no sense. And they left me in the car and police lock him up.
So you want to take up two. So why you need two?
Just in case. Just. Babe, trust me, man, just trust me. You trust me?
Yes, but this kind of sticky.
No, it's sticky, just trust me. That's all. Yeah? Ah, yo. Make it day blow up. And then you hear something.
So soon, did you even have time to feel ready to get that?
No, just take your time. I ain't going to want to come grab here and people come and say, so tomorrow we have to work. We don't care about the conversations. Not just all the time. Yeah? Yeah, man, everything all over about that. I tell you, whether she a father, she a father. Alright, so we talking here. Yeah, man, give me about 5 minutes. Alright. So I can count one hour, bro. Alright, cool. No problem. God, oh God, I won't go to girl, Jesus Christ. You know that,
Almost get picture of.
yeah, it's not an issue.
Say
Let's all look funny, good. Let's check. Alright, so I'm good. You want me to now call it every day. We can check up on, right? I'm gonna check up on you. I don't want you to give me no problem, alright? So, you go back over now?
we got to spend the night with them. We call it next year.
Alright, you want. I don't really want to tell you say no, but we tell you say it's safe for right now. So we just go on. When we can, when everything pass through, maybe spend more time together. Yeah?
When that.
1 week tops.
You
Everything
know,
clear
understand
up.
some of you don't have to go to places here.
Listen, no, you understand. You understand what I'm saying. Yeah? You go back over now?
What else?
Wow. I'm in contact.
You know, it's
Okay. You see it there?
Big boss. What a go on, sir?
There. Come here. Come here, man. No bad name there.
No, sir, man.
Are you alone, come?
Yeah, man, I'm here alone, man.
Oh,
I'm to this man, man.
how yourself, man? Fear and fear made back, safe. See it? Don't worry about him.
Wow, that's it, so.
Anyway, and a really good news in a virgin. Cause between me and you still in a soup. I not get nothing from your division, you know. Pay
No,
foolishness are going, you know.
What you talk about, man?
What do you mean by what me I talk about?
No, man, my division good, man.
Yo, go listen, man. Go listen, man, you. You're cool, man. You're cool, man. Let's go listen, man.
yourself, the virgin. I want to man. You tell me, man.
You're good, man. You're good. You're good, man. Know yourself. Anyway,
Eh.
listen to me. For your thing gone down from your division, little or nothing, you know, so I pay everything I cost me, brethren.
No, man, I bridging round there give some trouble, you know. That's
Yeah,
why
but you know, that's
make
why
it
you're
under
there for me.
control, man.
Listen to me now. So, listen to me. That's the reason why you're there for my payroll, you know.
Yeah.
Zin, and if nothing now go on there, so nothing can go on here, so.
Sure.
Things have to drop, you know, we have to cut your money, you know, you. When things now go right round, so, you know, what you think are going to happen?
No, man,
If
everything
the production down, we can't take no loss. So something have to go.
good, man. Sure.
So you have to take a cut. And if not but you know, it have to happen. And you know what I'm again?
Yeah.
Word on the streets of war out to broke. And under your control and you understand, you're
No, man,
supposed
no
to
war
deal
can-
with all it.
No,
You not work, man. You not work. You don't know that.
Eh?
You never know that.
No, man, me in the street, man.
You know so war out to broke.
Eh? Yes, man.
So what you do?
I watch them war, man.
What do you man?
I mean, they do what them I do, you know. Some of your people, them still, you know.
Some of my people them.
Yeah, man, but me they kill off them one either, man. I don't really think already. My little virgin I run it in Mark, you know, so. More body down there, more money, me get a little change there, you know.
So you get your son you get from Mark and
No, man, just cool, man. I had it.
look here man, as me say Virgin, nothing now go on for femicide.
Hey.
And you don't know anything say. I can't take a loss.
But boss, me must say I do my job, you know. Must say I keep you out of jail, you know. Where you there? You're there road right now. Not true?
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
man,
so
say
no.
from you there road, everything good.
No, you know good still cause me are experienced like the food are cut and on the side that things are go down and me can't do things and stuff. So as me say you have to go take a pay cut.
Sure, no, still.
Yo, come in there.
Dead, you know.
Go on, go on.
But I'll deal with your case.
Yeah man, go on. Sure.
So I go and boss it.
Man, they are play with things, you know, man. The man take things serious, you know.
I don't know, so from me I look upon him and I say this is soup, yeah. So boy I move on way better.
No man, ain't cool, man. I just that the man just to take things serious, man. You give the man the ends, so. You just run off this and make sure everything alright and production drop this. Sure.
I remember come style up man thing I was like about the board there. How am I deal with it?
No man, know yourself, man. I just that. Man,
So-
you fight you know, from the street, you know, but just lucky and get the rank. I know him for a long time, man. So that's why I get favor coax him to do more and still.
I'm move shaky like some ramen noodles soap.
Good man. So anyway.
So you say I go on now, boss, because watch now. I'm going to check my baby mother and see, you know. But you wanna have a thing for sure, you know. You know, say, two of you sitting them missing up, brother.
What you say, what?
Believe.
What?
Two of you take them missing up, boss.
And now for what? What you talking about missing? Where you say two of my shoes missing?
Or yourself, man. I fix things, man.
No, I'm not talking about more than fix, man. I'm talking about, yo. You see, I pay foolishness happening now, you know.
Or yourself.
No, man, I don't like how things are moving, man,
I
you.
give you my word, man. Or yourself, man.
Look,
Say,
yo. I want to want the man. I want to put, yo, yeah,
Boss,
man.
Stop. Don't run under pressure, man. I want to man, just chill, man. I tell you, I got this, man. Believe me, man. Never feel it, man.
Yo, you see Chris, you know Chris. Then, yo, the man I move shady, you know, man. I say, yo, sometimes I feel wonder to rot it, you know, man. It's like I can't find nothing loyal and nobody we just do them for doing, you know, man. Because, yo, from the other day, things are like good on with the man. I tell you, say, yo, I forgot, yo.
Here we go on, boss. You know, more let me show you how to really listen still, you know. See it. Because from morning, I tell you, say, yo, you can't trust Chris, you know. You see me?
Yo.
Morning, I been tell you that, brother. You see it? But come like when man talk, brother, you know, listen, boss. You see it?
Yeah, what me still.
You have to listen what I go on more and I'm true, say, yo, we are work with you, you know, boss. Remember, so we up on the ground and see what I go on, you know. I don't show you that agreement for a long time. So, up to you, you see me?
There around here and see I move good still, you know, man. And him a move shady, you know, so you don't know, you know, if any little thing go on with him, you know, so your thing have to go up there.
I'm to your boss, man.
You understand?
Man, ready,
Need
man.
loyal people around the brethren.
I'm to you, man.
Zin?
I'm ready like yesterday, don't
Yes, but
yeah, man, I say boss, man.
one thing, my brethren, make sure say You give me already, but make sure say you get back them shoes, you know.
Boss, I tell us right now. I have an idea how.
Well, make sure you get it back because me no want in nothing. I'm not gonna hear say boy you get all that cut. Alright, see? Yeah, as me say no virgin. Things don't look up, you know, you have to go get a cut, you know.
Let's go. Where are you now, Father Chris?
I'm there, brother.
A good way when I see you still, bro. Oh, you don't know, say, I energy.
Energy, not true.
I energy, we out there. More while we there and more while we are out there.
Not true. Here we go on, bro. I don't know, say, you know, I know every day I come link you like that, but you don't know, so we have family. And from our family, we say we always go stay there, so.
I energy.
You understand? So, right now, I look some friend where did it for me.
Loyal.
You can trust, or loyal. I know say you me have to link up. I link up to my version when I feel say boy, they wanna have certain situations, don't understand certain circumstances.
Then shaky.
But then, brother, shaky, brother. You
Can't
can't
your
work.
brain, man.
You
See your
understand?
boy, yeah.
So at that. So right now I want to match some works and make sure I secure certain things and send a signal. Cause here now, I'm straight with you. Vassal who me support with, the man tell me say boy, he want to take 20% of my earnings and give me, 30%. And I see the amount of money he must spend, but he want to take with mine because something will go down and something will get lost. You understand me I say? But
So
at the
you
end
have
of
to
the
be
day,
careful, you know, man.
that me
I
I tell
know
you,
what you
bro.
are do because and everybody real.
That me I say, and that's I say me come link you, because I say boy, yo, last cause the man, you know.
You know that you fear do long time and
Last
link
cause the
me
man.
up. What you do?
Yeah. So
I
you
make me
me
have
do.
one I think them lock.
That me I
I
tell
know
you.
say your head back well alright.
Wait,
What
that
you
me I
do?
say. See?
You know
So you
I'm
me not really
something.
show people certain things, but one of them are there enough for you.
Yeah, man.
You
So me
understand?
can have it for now.
Yeah, man, you can hold off on good.
Yeah, man.
Just see that. You know
Yo,
what I
no
mean?
worry yourself, you know.
Put in. When people can see what I'm going to feel like it's a joke thing, you know?
Worry yourself, man. Me have your head back protected.
Alright, so you know, so later in the evening, about 7 o'clock as the sun go down, just forward down Jackson Street.
Okay.
You understand? Right when the corner more send one message to Vassal.
Yeah, man.
You understand? And the message more send him money understand himself.
Yeah.
Cause bro you can't cheat
My
at time,
violate
man.
the thing.
I tell you, bro.
Violate the thing.
Yeah, man. So
And
here
the big belly sitting there.
you're gonna link up.
Yeah, man.
Dust up as it get dust up, so come on Jackson Street.
Don't worry yourself.
Alright, my brother.
You do the right thing.
Well said.
I remember if you know what you do too.
Out there, brother.
Alright.
Yo, where you see you want to chat to me about? Come in and understand you just want to come meet me on my outside in the dark, brother.
I pray I don't say anything I link up on a serious thing, but bro. If I link up on a hanky panky, nothing.
Alright, so you see where you are going.
If I'm on a tech side, I know. You see me I say? I'm not too love what I'm going, but bro.
Brother, right now, still no. Me involved, but me not too involved. Just that one I can know. Cause guess what? Man, they want me pick side, no, brother. Any side me I choose, on my side. You see me?
Your side or which side?
No, my side, brother. Me not on Vassal side, nor Chris side. Me neutral, brother.
So I say another on Vassal side. That means another on my side. Yeah.
Bro, I don't like that, brother. I don't like that. Me not also like say me against a big dogs.
I like how you come on.
But the man they want me choose and pick side, brother. And when the war get ugly and crossfire start licking a man, thing won't reach me between us, so me want to try keep myself neutral on a level. Because Chris even link me, brother, to try get to a vast machine, you know. Like him tell me say he want a machine to protect himself, you know. And me a pre say is a little thing man want get me mixed up, you know.
Now that I say that, I know so twice it me missing.
It's the same thing I tell about, brother.
Alright, now I try to find out how coming in and no joking, brother. That's the truth.
Right now, when I feel about the whole situation, I feel like say, if you just take a chip and chip out, go through the border and cut in, brother.
But I talk about water, I tell you twice something I miss my father. You see me? Right now my blood a boil right now, come on, oh.
I
Me
just
need
want
to know who
I just
better
want to know
call
something
you.
that involved in that we missing though, you know.
Yo, what they saying? Ready? I have to link up the brother and I have to send a serious message.
So you never say a boss here or the
No man. I tell you say a homeboy. Rick on a Rick yard, but we are worried about.
Remember say it's a place, a good place, no bad vibes no go on there, so, you know. I remember say you tell me what go on already, you know. So we are gonna go. And we are gonna there.
So
You have to come to me good, you know.
Alright, so you tell me say you work with me or you tell me say there's something wrong with me I do right now. And I tell you say?
Right now, you know, it make no sense, nobody work with you, you know. That you want to go and damage the little place there, so.
Brother, I'm tell you say.
Yes, so you will tell me, say, that me I talk about.
So alright, talk for now early. What you say you do? You're forward or you're not forward?
No, sir. Now go better forward.
Alright. Give me the tool. Just put the tool back on the ground.
Yeah, man. No problem.
So you say if I them the levels here take it, you know, me feel real disrespected like you diss me, you know.
No problem, man. If I say you think, you know, I say you feel like.
Alright, Mr. Alaska. If I saw be the case then, just do what you do then.
Yeah, man, no problem, man. You know what, I left out a week, you know, because, you know, I bad vibes, though. So go
Alright, Mr. Alaska. No, you going on?
You're badness, man. Now you mash up around yourself. So get it right.
I ain't know my TV. I can't trust people, you know. And let me down.
Yeah, let me ask you a thing, Ego.
So ask me, man, now you some of them, man.
Yeah, a full side elephant, big man thing.
Just tell her already, man. You have to think about that, brother. I was a straight man, I like to me I deal with it,
Why? I never know say don't reach us still, I don't lie.
I mean, I don't know if I reach us. Brother, you know tell it. So you move now. Man, I'm going to pray. I'm going to shake you, brother.
Big man thing.
Calm down, man.
Any side me choose, I'll get payments anyhow.
Because remember, say you mess up the thing, you know, so you see you now. Chalk line, you walk on you, I tell you,
you shouldn't even
bridging long time, I'm father, yeah.
You shouldn't even bring up that, dog. Shouldn't even bring up that. It was an honest mistake and not even fully my mistake either. And not even my mistake, brother.
Father, hear me?
Every time man ends up bring up back, them the shit we get mixed up, brother.
You know, hear me, I tell you, twice something I'm missing, brother.
I mean, no nothing about that, you know that. No nothing about that.
Somebody will get cut down in the night, I tell you, fast and quick car, thing now go good, I tell you the truth. Man, them nice circle now go on good, brother. So, as a dog, I come real with and I tell you, say, thing now go on good, brother. Because right now, I want to get serious, you know. Man shot now the soup here right now, brother, because soup himself now put in none of work. Because the man them can make sure say how them put in the work and
alright, so hear me
out
go.
all the thing, you see me?
Hear me go. Me I go see if I can lay low, you know. I don't want to catch you on crossfire, you know.
Yo, what dog? I shot
yo, hold on, before you move.
You
know, say it's a toy machine and missing still, but you wonder say if you could have even give me one to go and hold on for like a thing I get serious.
You know, see, it sound like something like a homeschool me out. You know, don't choose a side already, you have to get machine. You're a madman. You can't put machine in a man and when they're on my side, you're a madman.
Yo, hold up yourself forward.
Like a lick up your head, you know. Like a lick up your head, bad dog. That's not to the father.
right now, fully all of them take man for, you know, dog.
DC, come here, man.
Yo, hold on.
Right now.
So
Where you going with? What's going on?
I mean, sir.
DC, you're wasting my time, you know, DC.
I mean, I'm not wasting time.
And I need results.
What kind of results?
DC, I need results.
What we don't know where you're talking about,
Try
sir.
to see what I'm talking about. Father God, they give me to deal with them a police. Where they come from?
But
DC.
sir, I don't know what you're talking about. You have to talk to me.
Boy, police work hard. Police work hard, you know. DC, you're not doing your work, DC. You know, say V-man come and visit me.
Wait, who?
The V-boss, man.
You're talking about Vassal?
Yes, DC, Vassal. Vassal can't check me, and Vassal want cut. With results.
You want to cut free pay or fee up here?
DC, if my pay get cut, DC, what you think is going to happen to you? Huh?
So me have 2 hours a bill.
So hear what me I say now. You see, when time when you go up on the road, and the man them a work, you make sure say they work. You make sure say you not check V-boss, and make sure say everything good. Because I have to live.
So
And I have my girl them to take care of.
So what boss?
DC, let me know say you're going to do your work.
Me do my work, sir, but that gonna be part of my shift.
DC, time is money, and you're always on my time, DC. So do your job. Right, sir?
Alright, sir, but me also have something to talk to you about, man. You know, say one of us soldiers them need check me the other day.
Check yourself.
He say you want me to look like a soldier them. But
DC.
what you say name Chris?
Chris. Alright. I will handle Chris.
Sir, you look like war gonna start out. You know?
I will handle Chris. Right?
Alright.
So do your work, DC.
Alright, but go.
Yes, DC. That is it?
Alright, sir.
Mr. Vassal. The man himself.
Yeah.
So where's you going?
Yeah.
Say you come link me on all these things.
Yeah, man.
Important business to talk about.
Yeah, because you want me know. The reason I come, you tell me what I want.
Everything alright, everything around smooth, our.
Everything I run smooth. I will come like say you forget who me is, you know. Because I get the argument on the street about you know. You say, boy, you start all your own little organization. How turn me out of business?
Me?
Yes.
Who tell them? Hey, come
What do you mean by who tell me that?
Vassal, me understand say you was a big man in the street.
Yes,
man.
man.
So be a big man then, no?
And that me I try to tell you, Bridget.
So you tell me, say, me I start my organization when me I work with you under this organization.
Oh. So what you say? Nothing no go so? Nothing no go so?
Listen to me.
Answer my question. Nothing go so, yes or no?
Me don't know why you here now.
Brethren, it's a simple thing. Is it a yes or no?
You can't tell me that, Kyle.
You start your own thing.
Listen to me, I say no.
Me don't want to listen. Is it an easy question?
No, me not start.
You not start nothing?
No.
Are you sure upon that?
You ask me 2 questions, me answer, me try answer 1.
Cool.
See, what me I say to you is that every man have a side hustle. So my side hustle is to start one little thing for myself differently to get my 20% back. You understand me I say? Because I need to make back my 20% so I can actually live.
That can't work. Are you what?
My side hustle can work.
That the side hustle there, have to deal with them. Me I deal with. So you still a take from me. That can't work, brethren. That can't work. Now this a business here. Then I know you come think say man no look too fancy, you know. You come like you want to come sidestep the thing and do the thing. Do the thing right, man.
Alright, hear me I say to you still. See?
Man, not easy, man.
Wait, say tomorrow everything I will start.
tomorrow.
You guarantee a few peoples them are gonna make sure say shipment reach. Right? Right,
Man.
sir?
Everything you do pit pint and pint is accurate. See, sir? So don't worry about that. Everything just can't happen by chance, you know.
What do you mean?
2 of my shoes them missing. 2 of my shoes and I go want them back. And guess what happened again? Shipment have a late, you know.
So
You know what, make?
Me no know. Tell me no, sir.
You know, sir, Ricky dead.
Ricky.
Uh-huh.
Which Ricky that?
I mean, which Ricky that? You should have know about Ricky.
Me no know about no Ricky. Me no know
Alright.
what going on with him.
Zane, and that go on in the boss, and all of a sudden me hear say you a farm alliance. So everything just happen to me, something a brewing up, brethren. I mean I go sit down and wait, you know, look foolish is happening, you know.
You sound like you're a coward. You're afraid.
Me afraid?
Yeah.
Alright,
You
man.
up to something?
Yeah, man.
You
Don't
do
worry
something?
yourself. Don't worry yourself,
Only
man.
coward people go on like say them are go, you know, feel fidgety when certain things are going around them because you're guilty. You're guilty about
Brethren,
something?
when me here start, you know, it wasn't like this, you know.
Like what?
Me here could have sit down and reason and everything alright. All of a sudden everything like amasity. Yo, just what you deal, brethren?
You see people like you oblivious and I go on like saying see what I go on. And when we talk about creating something acting like the victim, 20% you take from me out of my hard earning and because yes it was my mistake to make that the man the way I call such man Ricky. You know what I mean? I just say him drop out, God rest him soul.
Yeah?
Yeah, but at the end of the day, what me I say to you say, when you say things I start up, because I know tomorrow like how you're talking on the phone, I win.
Alright, man. You will get the signal. Don't
You
worry
get the
yourself.
signal?
Yes, man. You don't know things there. You don't know things there. I don't know 20% of create all this thing.
Oh, it's a call my phone.
Alright. You know say you want to answer it? Tell me I tell you. You might want to check that.
Hello, yes, good evening.
Yeah man, good evening.
Is this Mr. Christopher Williams?
Yeah man, this is Christopher Williams. Who is this I'm speaking to?
Yeah, man, I'm Dr. Johnson, calling from the hospital. Are you the next of kin for Shanice Dixon?
What happened to Shanice Dixon? She's at home.
No, I'm sorry to call you and inform you that she was in an accident. There was some shooting out happening, and she was at the wrong place at the wrong time, and she got shot, and she passed away. So I just called to give you some information. And
Hold on. You sure say right Shanice Dixon you're talking about?
I'm sorry for your loss.
Boy, world small. Anyway, look at it on the right side. I could have your sister. I could have your mother. I could have somebody else in your family. Small world. I just say it go. Just have to just drape up and do it again. You hear me? Anyway, I'm going to move in a bedroom. So you know what I want you to do for me? Ease up off of my vehicle. Ease up. Ease up off of my vehicle. All night game. That's how life go. It's when you pick up a certain lifestyle, expect anything. You hear me? Expect anything.
You subscribe yet?